Open strategic autonomy and supply chain agility in pharmaceutical sector. What is the right recipe? Europe has the ambition to achieve open strategic autonomy and make medicines affordable, accessible and safe for all. Supply chain agility should not be considered through increasing obligations and strict notifications for manufacturers. This would increase rigidity of the supply chain. We instead call for agility by focusing on the speed and ability of manufacturers to allocate and reallocate medicines where patients need. Considering the increase of shortages of medicines and of raw materials, as well as inflation which is exacerbating the situation, it is important that the future pharmaceutical legislation ensures that the EU supply chain be agile, resilient and faster. The economic sustainability of some essential medicines cannot resist to any additional cost pressure. Nevertheless, currently, generic medicines are price regulated and in some countries, the average price of a generic medicine is between 7 to 9 cents per tablet. We need market reforms to ensure economic sustainability that focus on the value that we deliver, and not only at the lowest price. This is also relevant for tenders, where currently the main criteria is often the lowest price with one winner. This race to the bottom has to stop. We need multi-winner and multi-criteria tenders, recognizing manufacturers who are investing in greening or securing supply. From a regulatory standpoint, while the current EU regulatory system is one of the highest quality, it is not agile and far from a true digitalization, especially from an operational point of view. It mobilizes resources inefficiently and does not serve the best interest of patients or prescribers. Flexibilities should not be seen as exceptional and last resort tool in a crisis. Digital by default measures such as digital leaflets as the main source of information to the patient should be considered permanent tool, increasing the agility of the supply chain. These would reduce the time to reallocate products from one country to another, increase availability of medicines, especially in smaller markets, through broader use of multi-country packs. This meets the key EU prerogatives on security of supply, manufacturing resilience and green agenda. The recipe to achieve strategic autonomy is increasing agility of the supply chain, avoiding creating new factors for its rigidity. This would be achieved by, first, reform tenders focusing on cost only by rewarding those who are investing in a more sustainable industry. Second, modernize Europe's regulatory regimes with new telematics and digital tools to bring more agility to the supply chain. Third, a two-way dialogue between industry and regulators to better apprehend the medicines demand. And finally, ensure the predictability and clarity of our investment incentives framework and access to funds.